Hello students, today we will discuss an example on Gauss law. This is question number 22 asked in UPSEE examination 2018. Point charges 30 coulomb, minus 20 coulomb and 10 coulomb are located at minus 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 5, minus 1 respectively. The total electric flux leaving cube of side 6 meter centered at the origin is. So in this question we are provided 3 point charges 30 coulomb, minus 20 coulomb and 10 coulomb of known coordinates on x, y and z directions. We have to determine the total electric flux passing through the closed cubical Gaussian surface of side 6 meter which is centered at the origin. Since the coordinates of charge minus 20 coulomb is 0, 0, 0, hence we consider the charge minus 20 coulomb to be placed at the center of the cube. The coordinates of charge 30 coulomb is minus 1, 0, 2. So we consider the position of point charge 30 coulomb as slightly on the negative x-axis and at 2 coordinates on the positive z-axis. Since the coordinates of 30 coulomb point charge and minus 20 coulomb point charge in x direction, y direction and z direction is not equal to or greater than 3. Hence we conclude that the point charges of 30 coulomb and minus 20 coulomb lies in the bonded volume enclosed by the cube. For the point charge 10 coulomb, the y coordinate is 5 which is greater than 3. Hence the point charge of 10 coulomb lies outside the cubical Gaussian surface. So to determine the total electric flux passing through the closed cubical Gaussian surface, we have to determine the net charge present in the bonded volume enclosed by the cubical Gaussian surface. So from the figure it is evident that the net charge in the bonded volume is 30 coulomb minus 20 coulomb which is 10 coulomb. Hence the electric flux passing through the closed cubical Gaussian surface is only due to the net charge which is present in the bonded volume and is evaluated as 10 coulomb. On the other hand, the charge of plus 10 coulomb which is outside the cubical Gaussian surface will not contribute to any electric flux leaving the cubical Gaussian surface. Hence the total electric flux leaving the cubical Gaussian surface will be 1 upon epsilon naught times the net charge, and which is worked out to be total electric flux leaving the cube net charge in bonded volume upon epsilon naught. So net charge is 30 minus 20 upon epsilon naught coulombs or 10 coulombs upon epsilon naught.